Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ijoma Ibe official, and today we are going to be making moi moi. So first I have to wash my beans. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to wash beans. So you have to soak your beans for a few minutes so the skin will start to be peeling off. So put it in the blender and blend it a little bit so the skin will start to come off. So you add it inside the bowl and rinse it. So it's easy and quick. So easy, in less than 5 minutes you're done washing your beans. So you can start your cooking, whatever you want to cook, moi moi or akara. So as you can see, I washed these beans in less than 5 minutes. So easy. See, it's all clean. So let's start to blend the beans. I'm gonna be making moi moi. So I have to add my vegetables, red pepper and lemon. So I blend everything together. So after that I will add it in a pot for mixing, for mixture. So as you can see, I'm mixing it with my spicy ingredients. I added some Maggi cubes, and this is some crayfish and some complete seasoning, and I added a little bit of salt. So I have to mix everything together. So this is chili sauce. So I mix everything together. So this is salmon. So I have to add it some salmon fish and some chicken broth. So mix everything together. And I added a little bit of oil. So moi moi is ready to cook. So I have to start putting it in my foil. I already folded the foil, so I have to add it inside. So after that, I have to add some water in the pot and add my moi moi. So and cover it, allow it to cook. Alright, the moi moi is ready, all ready. So you have to bring everything out from the water and allow it to cool off before you can start eating. Alright guys, it's ready to eat. Please subscribe to my channel at Ijoma Ibe official. Please like, share and comment. See you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stay hot. I'm gonna let it cool off. It tastes so good.